As part of my Unit 13 FMP research, I looked at production techniques and what techniques artists who I like and who I'm inspired by use to make their music essentially sound so good. One technique I looked at was sidechaining my reverb. And what I sort of learned was that by sidechaining your reverb, you get more clarity, and you're not getting reverb overlapping each other from one note. So if I'm playing a C note and then there's this D note, I don't want that C note reverb to be overlapping the D note reverb, and it just gets more clarity, makes things a bit more clearer. So for this experiment, I've got this melody. It's just a simple saw sound, and it just sounds like this. So it's really basic, it's dry, there's no effects on it, there's no reverb. So adding reverb is what I want to do. So I'll grab a reverb, and then I'll grab the peak controller, and the peak controller is what will sidechain the reverb. I just want to make them detached so I can see them both at once. So we've got the sidechain, we've got the reverb, and we've got the peak controller, which is going to sidechain the reverb. So first of all I want to decide how much reverb I actually want on this sound. So just for argument's sake, if I wanted it like nice and wide. But now for me that's the reverbs are overlapping too much, so I want to get it sidechained. So what I want to do, I want to copy the value of the wet knob, copy the value, turn this down, and now I want to right click, link to controller, the controller being the freaky peak controller. I want to set the inverted controller to the peak, so this will now, so the remote control settings are telling the reverb to get linked to the peak, and then you want to set the mapping formula to input so it all maps correctly, and then you press accept. Now the default when you do that is this. Which is too much, so we have to go to the peak controller and affect the peak knobs to get the reverb we want. So this basic controls at what point the reverb is at, to where the maximum you want the reverb to be. So where I said I copied the value earlier, I'm just going to paste it over here. And then this volume knob essentially tells it if it's going to go up, if the sidechain is going to go up or down. So we go to the other side. So that's what this the Fruity Reverb sidechaining techniques does. It just gives a bit more clarity. So if I turn this up, it should. That's before. Then this is after. So there's not a massive difference. It's just, I think the set that you went after, you still that the lead still pops out and it's not being drowned in that reverb which you want. You still want the reverb, but you don't want it to overlap or drown the sound, because obviously the lead and the MIDI is the most important thing. So yeah, that's what I've learned in my production techniques by learning how to sidechain reverb. Cheers.